Hello viewers, I am Sujit Kumar Paroi and welcome to my YouTube channel Online English Grammar. I regularly give tips on English grammar, especially transformation of sentence, narration, voice change, etc. In my previous lesson, I taught on lesson 1 affirmative to negative how to transfer the sentence affirmative to negative. Now I shall teach you about some rules on how to transform sentence affirmative to negative. Lesson 2. Let us see some rules how to change affirmative sentence to negative sentence. Okay, we see some sentence in affirmative sense. He eats both fish and meat. Here both and every father loves his daughter every. As soon as Reina saw her father, she started reading as soon as. Shobik is best boy in the class. The best boy, that means superlative. Remember, affirmative sentence, good, act, adjective. This is a special term or word or phrase in a sentence. So, how we can change this kind of sentence into negative? At first, number one, if there is both noun and here I have to use not only but also, then it turn into negative. As for example, he eats not only fish but also, but also meat. Here not only instead of both and but also instead of and. So to change the sentence negative, I have to use not only instead of both and but also instead of and. He eats both fish and meat. He eats not only fish but also meat. It turned into negative. Next, number 2. Here, number 1, number 2. Every father loves his daughter. Here, every is a special term in a sentence. We can sense there is no plus noun. We can use there is no. THERE, there is no. There is no instead of every. Plus next noun. Here father, if it is here. There is no father. If there is every mother, then there is no mother. If there is every sister, then there is no sister. So there is no plus noun. There is no father loves. Yes, there is no father loves. There is no father. After noun, I have to add but. There is no father but loves his daughter is dear. Okay, in this way we can change the affirmative to negative when every is used in the sentence. Next, number 3, as soon as. How to change to negative if there is as soon as in a sentence? Then at first I have to write no sooner had. No sooner had. No sooner had. Next, noun, Rina. No sooner had Rina seen than verb past participle. No sooner had Rina seen her father next then she started reading. She started reading. As soon as, no sooner had instead of as soon as. Then noun, Rina. Next, verb participle saw, verb participle seen. No sooner had Rina seen her father. Next, then she started reading. No sooner had Rina seen her father, then she started reading. In this way, you can change this sentence to negative. Next, number 4. Shobik is the best boy in the class. Here is the pattern. There is no boy in the class. There is no boy. There is no boy. Class as good as Shobik. As good as Shobik. Next, number 5. I shall remember you. Here, at first subject I, then verb I shall. Here, never. Subject, verb, then never. I shall never forget you. Subject, verb, never, then antonym of never, forget. Antonym of remember, forget. I shall never forget. In this way, he is good boy, he is not a bad boy. 6. He is not a bad boy. Subject, verb, then not, and anti-adjective. That means good antonym bad, honest antonym dishonest. This is a good boy, he is a good boy, he is not a bad boy. I shall remember you, I shall never forget you. That means change to negative without changing its original meaning. In this way, we can change affirmative to negative. Okay, I shall came before you next with another tutorial, affirmative to negative, lesson 3. Thank you very much and welcome to all. Thanks again to watch my tutorial on affirmative to negative. Okay, bye bye.